the issue of what we do in bed, number one, we want people to get in bed when they're sleepy and about at the same time each night. If your stimulus to go to bed ends up being something external, so for instance, watching TV, one, you want to watch something calm, but the other thing is that when you naturally wake up during the night, and we all naturally wake up during the night whether we remember it or not, that same stimulus will not be present for you. And so it can spur you on to start to develop some what we call sleep maintenance insomnia, where you get up during the night and can't get back to bed. Secondly, you have multiple issues of you're very tied to that stimuli. It can extend your time in bed. You extend your time awake in bed. And your brain will start to learn that your bed is where you lounge, rest, and watch TV. And your sleep can become much more inefficient. And so you consequently will spend more time in bed and less time sleeping. So we caution people against that behavior if possible. It's okay to watch sleep before bedtime if it's calming for you, but you should do it either in another room or in a chair in your bedroom so that you can climb into bed when it's time to go to sleep.